let's start with some of the basics about the face. A lot of people, when they're nervous, their lips will quiver. And we do this because there is stress. Now, if someone is bluffing, chances are that you will see one or more of these behaviors. They move all in with their chips, they're bluffing, and maybe their lips will quiver ever so slightly. There'll be a little vibration of the lips. It'll be a little different. When it comes to interpreting behavior, it's not a picture. It's not going to be up there like a Picasso painting for hours for you to examine. Nonverbal behaviors come and they vanish. They're very quick. They're elusive. They're here 1 minute, they're gone. They show up somewhere else. They're in the hands, then they're in the eyes, and then they're in the feet. These things are significant because if you're looking at your cards, if you're looking at someone else, you're going to miss these behaviors. Quivering lips may only last a few seconds. Somebody may bite their lip very quickly. They look at their cards and all of a sudden they go like this. Less than 2 seconds. And yet that's indicative. Lip biting is indicative of some sort of stressor. The biting of the lip is demonstrative also of what is known as a pacifying behavior. And this is why often we see this on test days. You see your children, they're getting ready to take a test in school, and they're biting their lip. Same thing happens at the table. The community cards come out, we don't like them, and then all of a sudden we start biting our lips. Very significant, but it may last only a few seconds. Or how about this? The person begins to lick their lips. Why are they doing this? You have to put it in context. Are they doing it because they're pacifying themselves as they're thinking? They may have a marginal hand. Maybe they have a king 3. But on the flop, it comes out that their hand is in fact a marginal hand. And so they begin to lick their lips, wondering, what should I do now? How do I capitalize on this? Or should I just fold? It's very revealing. They're letting you know that they don't have a good hand. They have a marginal hand. How do we know that? They're pacifying. They're pacifying by licking their lips. In other words, as they think about it, they themselves realize it's not great, so they're calming themselves down as they process the thought. You'll see it in different ways. You'll see people that will actually pull at their lips. They will tug at their lips, or maybe they will play with their lips. These, again, are pacifying behaviors. Very important for us as observers. When do they occur? Do they occur as a result of looking at their whole cards? Does it take place as soon as the flop comes out? Or does it take place when a player calls or raises? It's all significant. We have to put it in context. Joe Navarro, former FBI special agent. I amplify. Do you?